Hi again. So now let's prepare the project for the texturing. So let's start with this piece. I have two pieces right here. I think I need to delete one of them. So let's tap to edit mode and hover over this piece, hit L and XF to delete it. So now I just have one on this side and that's what I want. Let's grab all of these details again and let's maximize this a bit. Let's drag this, tap to edit mode, hit A, and let's go to UV and bake island again. And there we go, now it's better. Cool. So now what we can do, I think everything is ready now, and now we can jump to a vertex paint. So let's jump to vertex paint and let's see and go to solid. And in vertex paint we can add a paint here. We can add a color for specific places. So what we can do now, let's go here to this panel, and I need to create a color. So let's add a color. I will start with the plastic because this piece should be plastic and this one should be plastic, and I have plastic right here too. And where should I add plastic? Maybe the neck should be plastic. So what I will do, I will select a gray color and add it, create add new, and I will call it plastic, for example. And now I have this color. Alright, so let's hit plus. Yeah, I got this color right here. And for the metal, let's add, let's see what should I add. Maybe I can add something blue. Yeah, just for metal. So let's hit plus. I think I don't need to call this plastic because I will depend on the colors. So alright, don't worry. So this will be for metal, and what we have else here, we have the painted metal. So I'm going to pick maybe green for this kind of color, and let's hit plus. So now we have the green color right here. Well, now what I will do, let's hit Z and go to, sorry, let's tab, let's go to object mode, and let's select maybe the head, and let's hit let's go and switch to vertex paints, and let's give this the green color. So just pick the green and hit shift K to apply the green color for the head. Now let's go back to the object mode and let's select all the pieces that should be green. What I will do, I will go here to this option and I will switch the color to vertex just to see what I have here in the object mode. So I need to pick this piece and this one right here, this and this as well, and this piece right here, and this one, maybe this one. I need to give them the same color. So jump back to vertex paint, and with this green color selected, hit shift K again, shift K. It should be applied. It's applied here for this piece. Let's see why that doesn't apply. Shift K. Well, maybe I should pick one object. Let's try that. Let's go to object mode and let's grab this, and let's jump back to vertex paint and shift K. Yeah, I think I should pick one piece. So alright, that's not gonna cause a problem. Let's grab this and switch to vertex paint, shift K, and let's go back to object. Let's grab this one and switch back to vertex paint, shift K, and let's grab, let's go to object mode. So let's select this piece, and I just want to show you something. If you want to switch back to vertex paint, what you can do, you can press Control Tab, and you will open this menu, and you can jump to vertex paint quickly. Control Tab and jump to object mode, just like that. So Control Tab, go to vertex. Control Tab, go to object. And if you don't want to press Control Tab, what you can do, you can go to edit preferences, and you can go to key map and active this option right here, spy menu on drag. So what that mean, when you hit tab without moving the mouse, that will switch you from edits to object mode. But if you hit tab and move the mouse, the pie menu will open. So hit tab and go to vertex, hit tab and go to object. This faster. You don't need to hit control tab to open this menu. You just need to hit tab and then just move the mouse to vertex or to object. So now I selected this one. I will hit tab and go to vertex, and then shift K and tab and go back to object. Select this quickly. So tab, go to vertex, shift K, tab and go to object. This would be faster. Select this one, tab and go to vertex, shift K, tab and go back to object. The same thing here. Tab, go, shift K, tab, go back. The same thing here. Tab, shift K, and there we go. Let's go back, tab and go to object, grab this, tab and go up, shift K, and there we go. Tab and let's go back. Let's select the neck. So all of these pieces that we selected, they should be a painted metal. This one as well. So tab and shift K, and let's go back. But this piece right here should emit light, so I need to give it another color. Let's add another color. Let's maybe make the yellow for emit light. So I have this color for the eye. So grab this eye and shift K to add the light. Sorry, to apply the color for this one. Tab and go back, grab this, tab and shift K for this one. That's cool. So now I need to give this a plastic color, and we added a color for plastic. So hit tab and jump here, and let's select the plastic, shift K to apply it, go back, grab this, sorry, just this, the ring, go shift K because this is still selected, and then tab and go to back to object. What about the neck? Grab the neck. I need to give it plastic color. So tab and jump to vertex paint, shift K because I still selected this color right here, and hit tab and go back to object mode. Alright, now what about these pieces right here? Let's select maybe this one. This one I should give it the same green color that I added right here. So what I will do is I will select this one and tab and jump to vertex and change this to the green and shift K, and let's do the same thing maybe for this piece. Maybe let's see, yeah, this one right here, maybe I can give it the same color. So tab and go to vertex, shift K and go back, and this one right here, shift K. Maybe I can give this the same color. So tab and jump back, shift K, select this one, shift K for this, and for this one as well, shift K and tab and go back to object. And what about the chest? The same thing, tab and give it the same green color, and tab back to the object mode, grab this one and jump, shift K and jump here. Let's select this, shift K, and let's grab this one and go back, and let's select the yellow and shift K, and this one should be plastic. Jump back and select the plastic, shift K and go back. These buttons should be plastic too, so let's shift K to give them the same color here. And what else we should do here? This one, yeah, go back to the vertex paint and switch to green. Shift K, and there you go. What about this piece right here? This should be metal, so hit tab and go back, and this time let's select the blue, so shift K to add the color, and then tab and go back, grab this one, jump to vertex, shift K, grab this and shift K, and there we go. So let's grab this one, so shift K, hit tab and jump, shift K, the same thing here. Cool. What about this piece? I can give it the green color, but let's select this one, shift K, and let's grab this one, shift K, the same thing here, shift K, and this one let's give it the green color, and this one as well, and the hand, and maybe the fingers, this one right here, and tab and jump, shift K, and this one, shift K, shift K here, shift K here. I think you got the idea. Alright, so that's cool. Maybe I can add the same color here, shift K, and here as well. Yep, and for this piece, shift K, and this one, shift K, and this one right here. Sorry. And let's maybe select this. Yeah, we can select this maybe. Yeah, and just jump and give it the same material, the same thing here. This one as well, and this one, shift K, and this one, shift K, this, cool. You got the idea. And this one, shift K, and this as well. I got some problem maybe with the shading here. Tap to edit mode, hit A, shift N, recalculate the normal, and I think we got a problem with the normal. Yeah, that's right. Cool. So with this one selected, shift K, and there we go. And what about this piece right here? Maybe it could be plastic, so jump to vertex and switch to plastic, then shift K, and this piece should be plastic too. Jump, shift K, give it plastic. And what else we should do here? Alright, so now we need to switch to the blue color, so select this one. Oh my god, too much uh, too much geometry we have here. Let's start with this one, and let's switch to blue, shift K, and this, and jump here, shift K, and this one as well, shift K, and this, switch, Same thing here, and this one, and this one. Alright, I think now we just finished. We just have these pieces. Let's grab this and let's give it green and tap back, and let's grab this one and let's give it a green color, as I think green here, and yeah, that's what I want. Well, now after that I will grab all of these pieces. Before I do that, let's bring the 3D cursor in the middle before I copy this leg for the other side. Hit Shift C to bring the 3D cursor in the middle, and they grab all of these pieces, all of them, just like that, and deselect this one. Hit G to see what we got. Yeah, just this, and Shift D to take a copy, and then switch this to 3D cursor and right click mirror to the global X, and now we got this copy to the other side. And the same thing for the arm. Grab all the pieces here, Shift D, take a copy, and right click mirror to the global X, and there we go. Now what we can do, let's bring this back to material, and let's hit A, select everything, and Control A, and apply the scale, and let's see, is there anything let's see if is there any problem with the face orientation. And yeah, we got a problem with this arm right here. Grab it, tap to edit mode, select everything, hit A, and Shift N to recalculate the normal for all the pieces. The same thing for this one. Tap to edit mode, hit A, Shift N to recalculate the normal. And this piece, let's grab these together, tap A, Shift N, cool. Now let's see, everything is blue. Yeah, everything now is blue. Well, let's turn off the face orientation now, and now our robot, now it is ready, and if you want to take it to substance painter, it's ready to take it there. Everything is precise, and we don't have any flipped faces, but we got some problem here with when we mirrored the hand. We got some problem. Alright, from the front view, maybe I can fix this. Let's switch this to medium point, and let's rotate this a bit, just like that, and let's grab these and grab them, and medium points, hit R to rotate. But let's see what's the problem here. Yeah, we got a problem with the picture. Let's turn off this option selectables, so not to move them accidentally, and let's grab those again, R, and let's put them in the position just like that, and I think everything now is correct. Yeah, almost everything now is correct. I will end this tutorial, and I will see you on the next one.